All right, so now we're going to shoot AR-15 223 with a Silencer Co. Saker
Yep.
suppressor. We tried this already without ears, and
It hurts.
I don't need my full headset, but I still have earplugs in. So here we go. Can't hit that little gong. Suppressors are where it's at, so I hope the Hearing Protection Act gets passed, because that would be awesome. Thanks again, Chris.
You're welcome.